Hello, history enthusiasts. When we think of world wonders, our minds often drift to the seven ancient wonders, like the Great Pyramid of Giza or the Hanging Gardens of Babylon, or the seven modern wonders like the Taj Mahal or the Great Wall of China. But what about the wonders of the medieval age, a time rich in creativity, ingenuity, and ambition? Unlike antiquity, there isn't an official list of medieval wonders, but historians and enthusiasts have pieced together a compelling collection of awe-inspiring creations from across the globe. Some were destroyed, others remain shadows of their former glory, but each one tells a story of human determination and creativity. Join us as we explore these seven wonders of the medieval world and uncover the secrets of their construction, their cultural impact, and their tragic or triumphant fates. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep the wonders of history alive. 1. Old London Bridge. Completed in 1209. What made it a wonder? The Old London Bridge wasn't just a crossing, it was an entire community built over the River Thames. Spanning 900 feet, this remarkable structure housed 300 homes and shops, some towering 6 stories tall, making it one of the most fascinating examples of a living bridge. Engineering feat. The bridge was supported by 19 stone arches, a groundbreaking achievement for its time. It had a drawbridge to allow ships to pass and defensive gatehouses, one of which famously displayed the severed heads of traitors. Cultural significance. The bridge became a center of life in medieval London. Its chapel dedicated to St. Thomas Becket turned it into a site of pilgrimage, and it even inspired nursery rhymes like, "London Bridge is falling down." Demise. After over 600 years of service, the bridge was demolished in 1831 to make way for a more modern replacement. Its legacy, however, continues to live on in literature, history, and even folklore. 2. The Round City of Baghdad. Founded in 762 CE by Caliph al-Mansur. Why it was a wonder? Baghdad's Round City was a marvel of urban planning. Designed as a perfect circle with a 1-kilometer radius, it was surrounded by walls and moats, with 4 grand gates leading to the city center. Cultural hub. At its heart stood the Caliph's Palace and the House of Wisdom, a beacon of knowledge that housed rare Greco-Arabic manuscripts and attracted scholars from across the world. Baghdad's strategic location made it a melting pot of cultures, ideas, and innovations. Tragic destruction. In 1258, the Mongols sacked Baghdad, bringing an end to its golden age. The Tigris River ran black with the ink of countless destroyed manuscripts, and the Round City was left in ruins, never to regain its former glory. 3. Tenochtitlan and the Templo Mayor. Founded in 1325, destroyed in 1521. Why it was a wonder? Tenochtitlan, the capital of the Aztec Empire, was a floating city on Lake Texcoco. It was a masterpiece of engineering and urban planning, with a sophisticated system of canals, gardens, and aqueducts. Templo Mayor. At the heart of the city stood the Templo Mayor, a twin temple pyramid dedicated to the gods Huitzilopochtli and Tlaloc. The Spanish conquistadors described its beauty and craftsmanship as unparalleled. Downfall. The Spaniards, horrified by the Aztec practice of human sacrifice, destroyed Tenochtitlan and the Templo Mayor in 1521. Today, only the ruins of its foundation remain, a haunting reminder of its once majestic presence. 4. Ely Cathedral. Began in 1083, octagonal lantern added in the 14th century. Why it was a wonder? Among England's many grand cathedrals, Ely Cathedral is unique for its octagonal lantern tower, a masterpiece of decorated Gothic architecture. This lantern allowed natural light to flood the interior, creating an ethereal atmosphere. Cultural and religious significance. The cathedral was a major center for Christian pilgrimage and is often referred to as the Ship of the Fens due to its towering presence over the flat landscape. Legacy. Unlike many other medieval wonders, Ely Cathedral still stands today, allowing visitors to marvel at its intricate design and spiritual ambience. 5. The Bologna Towers. 12th to 13th centuries. Why it was a wonder? Known as the Manhattan of the Middle Ages, Bologna's skyline was once dotted with over 200 towers. These structures, some reaching heights of 100 meters, served as both defensive fortifications and symbols of family prestige. Purpose. Built by wealthy families, the towers demonstrated power and provided refuge during feuds. Over time, their purpose shifted, and many were abandoned or destroyed. Survival. Today, only a few towers remain, including the Asinelli and Garisenda towers, offering a glimpse into Bologna's medieval grandeur. 6. The Porcelain Tower of Nanjing. Constructed, built during the 15th century Ming Dynasty. Why it was a wonder. The Porcelain Tower, or Baowen Temple, was a 9-story pagoda constructed entirely of white porcelain bricks. These bricks reflected sunlight during the day and glowed under the moon, creating a mesmerizing effect. Cultural impact. This tower was not only an architectural feat but also a spiritual symbol, showcasing the artistic and religious devotion of the Ming Dynasty. Destruction. In the 1850s, Taiping revolutionaries destroyed the tower to eliminate its Buddhist imagery. Its loss remains one of the great tragedies of cultural heritage. 7. Hagia Sophia. Constructed, originally built in 537 CE, significantly modified in the medieval period. Why it was a wonder. The Hagia Sophia, commissioned by Byzantine Emperor Justinian, was an architectural marvel of its time. Its massive dome, seemingly suspended in mid-air, and its opulent interior, adorned with mosaics and marble, left visitors in awe. Spiritual influence. In the 10th century, emissaries from Kievan Rus visited the Hagia Sophia. They were so moved by its grandeur that they converted to Christianity, changing the course of Eastern European history. Legacy. The Hagia Sophia still stands today, though it has transitioned from a church to a mosque to a museum and back to a mosque. Its beauty continues to inspire millions. A legacy of wonder and ingenuity. The 7 wonders of the medieval world remind us of humanity's boundless creativity, ambition, and resilience. Each wonder tells a unique story, from the bustling life of the old London Bridge to the spiritual transformation inspired by the Hagia Sophia. Though many of these wonders no longer stand in their original glory, their legacy endures in history, art, and culture. Which of these medieval marvels fascinated you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into history's greatest achievements. Join us on our next adventure through time.